Mayong buntag! Mayong buntag! Why did she cover your face? Ronnie wants to know why there's not a sign pointing to these waterfalls.
Well, the thing about it is, they've got signs for everything. Their kid graduated from elementary school, and they got a huge 6x4 foot sign congratulating them. Signs everywhere for everything. But the important stuff, it seems like there's no sign. Look at this though.
Well, see, Ronnie, that's where you fail to understand. You just mentioned it, the important stuff. The important stuff to them is their kids, their family. This is just some water at the end of a road that we're going to.
They see it every day.
They say Crazy Kano is going to drive up this little bitty road to see the waterfall. All right, guys, so we've been going. It says we got 4 more minutes, 2.3 kilometers. That's a different name on the falls, though.
It is.
But that should be it. We may be going to a different falls.
You should show that on the camera.
So, but right here's our view so far. Been a surprise to a few of the locals. The others have been not surprised at all. Look at all the houses down in there. Okay, we've made it back to where we think we go up to the waterfalls. So we're off. Goes right up through here, Ronnie. Yeah, see, he's up there.
Yeah, but how do you know how he got up there?
My own buntag. Is the falls falls there?
Waterfall.
2 big waterfalls? Yes. Sige. Where do we come up? Here or up here? Let's see. The waterfalls. Yeah? Uh-huh. So go back down.
Doon.
And go around.
Oo. Pababa. Dito kaya dumaan, papunta sa baba.
Baba. Dos bilay? Past? So go past the bilay? So bilay.
Yun, Dudungan Falls yung hinahanap niya?
Ay. May basahin gumay-gumay. Ay. English, yeah? No. So you want to take us? Give you 100 peso?
Okay.
Okay? Sige.
Una lang ito. Ito lang kali.
Boy, it's slick up here, Ronnie. Salamat, bro. Ayos. Ayos. Yeah. I'm gonna follow you. Look at you walk down this thing. Hey. What's your name, bro?
Silso.
What?
Silso.
Silsaw?
Oo.
Shane.
Ah, okay.
Glad to meet you, Silsaw. He's doing this in flip-flops.
Hey, bro. Ronnie. Yeah, you guys.
Anyway, he did that in flip-flops. Well, we're getting a guide. Silsaw.
Kasi around
Yeah.
dito sa gitna ito na around to eh.
Mm-hmm.
Quickest.
Yung
We want the bottom, right? We want the bottom of the waterfall, not the top.
Yeah.
Yeah, bottom, no top. Yeah, bottom.
Bottom's fine. Ronnie don't want to hike. Yeah, we want the bottom.
Well, I'm thinking about a shot. Best shot.
Hey. Yeah. Sige. Sige lang here. See?
doon kasi tayo eh. Sa ano, Dudungan Falls yung hinahanap ninyo.
Oh, my Bisaya, very gamay. No understand.
Say again.
Dahil na lang.
You want to drive?
Oo.
You can.
Kayo lang mag-drive.
We can drive?
Hindi, no.
No drive. Me drive there. Yeah? Okay, sige. Yeah. No four-wheel drive, just two-wheel. Dos, atrás. No enfrente. Here. Mayong bundag.
Ay, buntag.
And the trek continues. We got us a little tour guide here. We found him up on the mountain and we drove like way off in the mountains down some pretty sketchy roads. Didn't know if we were gonna get back. We met this guy and then he brings us all the way around back out on a paved road. Now down through this village. Very beautiful here. Ruh-roh. Hey, you're gonna get wet. Hey. The whole boots are gonna get wet. That's why we should always wear slippers. said maybe 10 minutes. First he asked us if we wanted to go to the top, and I don't think Ronnie wanted to go to the top. Honestly, I probably didn't want to either. But it's not as humid here, or as hot. Banana. A lot of banana. Coconut. Boko. We gave him 100 peso. Probably going to give him another 100 peso, and then we're going to give that lady where we parked at 100 peso. So, let's see. Of course, now that he brought us this way, we don't have any connection on our phone, and we honestly don't know where we're at. There's a paved road really close though, so I'm sure we can get on it, and if I can get a direction of north or south, I should be able to at least point in the direction that I think we need to go. I've got a compass, so, but I think my Google Maps, I should still be able to see north or south even without a connection. Whee! Crazy Kano. Should have worn my Crocs. Slip. Hey, look at that, Ronnie. Woohoo, woohoo. Oh yeah. Slow down, Ronnie. Ronnie's in too big of a hurry. Here. Should have went barefoot. I'm walking like an old man, but that's okay. I'll take my time and get out of here. Whee! Dinduk kayo.
Oh, lundot tayo.
What was your name again? Say your name again.
Celso. Celso.
Celso. Say hello to my wife, Mary Grace Celso.
Hello, Mary Grace.
Woohoo! do you make it beat? Did he get it? You want me to?